Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Claude AI account. Now if you're currently on the free plan, once you sign in you will see on your home page you will see free plan and you can click on upgrade right here at the top. Alternatively, you can click your account on the lower left hand side and click on upgrade plan. It's going to take you over to where you have the plans. Choose a plan that you want. Let's say I want to go ahead and choose this pro plan here. I can click on that. Alternatively, of the team and enterprise, so depending on whichever one you want, you can just go ahead and reach out to ensure that you get it. So if you want the enterprise, contact their sales team. And of course, they also have the team plans right here. Now I'm going to go back to the individual plans. And let's say I want to upgrade to the pro plan. I can click on it, get pro. Then from here, I can choose if I want to play monthly or yearly. It really depends on me, whichever one I want. Then I'm going to go ahead and scroll on and fill in my payment details here, which is my card details. Once I fill out everything correctly, I can go ahead and agree and click subscribe and pay. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to upgrade your plan on Claude AI. Once that is done, your account will be upgraded immediately and you can start using the pro features of Claude.